Super sub. Standing on the sideline in his shorts and anorak, in the rain, his knees getting cold, Michael wished that Phil would score an own goal or give away a penalty. He didn't. Instead, he scored the winning goal, and Michael, the substitute, could only watch forlornly as the players flocked about him, congratulating him. Michael used to live for Saturday afternoons. Since Phil had taken his place on the team, he dreaded them. "You will be on the team for Saturday," the postman, who was team coach, had told Phil on the very first day he had come to training. "I'm sorry, Michael," Phil said kindly. "I'm sure you'll be back on the team soon." This only made Michael feel worse. Now the team had got to the final with Phil as the star. On the day of the final, the players were highly excited. Michael pretended to be excited too, but there was a hole in his stomach. The match was hard fought. It was 0-0 with 15 minutes to go when the postman said, "Warm up, Michael. You're going on." Michael quickly tore off his anorak and sprinted into the action. He could hear Dad shout, "Come on, Michael!" Phil grinned at him and sent a long ball up the wing for him to chase. Michael beat a defender and floated a high ball into the penalty area. Mark jumped up to head it, only to be pushed away by the big centre half. The referee pointed straight away to the spot. A penalty. "Let Michael take it," Phil said quietly. The crowd was deadly silent as Michael placed the ball on the spot. The postman was chewing his gum furiously. Michael picked his spot and drove the ball into the net. The crowd erupted. Michael was nearly knocked over by his teammates. It proved to be the winning goal, and the cup now sits proudly in the clubhouse. Michael is still, more often than not, the team's super sub. But when standing on the sideline, he is also their greatest supporter.